Joe Beermaster here. I'm going to show you how to make your tires with white letters, raised letters. Look for like this to this. Little secret. I got one of these auto sales pens. You put auto sales writing on a car when a car is for sale. They sell these to the dealers. Or you could actually get a pen designed for tires like this. And it's pretty simple. Made them look real good. So I'm going to show you how I did it on these. Alright, so with the pen, I'm basically going to just glide it along. And this stuff stays on pretty good. Might have to do it a couple times a year. And if you got a sports car, it makes it look pretty cool too. And some tires don't even have white walls, but it'll have sort of a raised letter, and it'll make it look sportier. If you get any, you can just wipe it off, and it dries, and it really makes your vehicle stand out. If you got a Camaro or a Challenger or something sporty like that, or something older, you want to make it really stand out, this will make your tires look great and make the vehicle look good. Because what happens when you buy them new, they look real good in the beginning, and then they get dirty on the road. So this is something you can do a tire in 5 minutes or less, maybe 3 minutes. You could always go over and touch it up. See anything? So we went from that, there, you can't even see it, to that. Like I said, these pens work pretty good. They're called poster markers. You go to your local auto supply house and they do have something that's very similar. And they work pretty good. Joe Beermaster.